Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to open up the exhaust on your BMW Z4? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so I'm really excited to get this done. I want to walk you through what we're going to do here first. Now, this is the new catback exhaust from aFe Power. This is probably one of their very first customer installs, and I'm really excited to get this done. I'm going to walk you through the install and all the DIY so you can do the work yourself. Now, make sure to check out the before and after video that will be posted separately. So if you want to hear what it sounds like, make sure to check that out. Now, the G29 Z4 doesn't sound too bad stock, but this is a great way to bring a little bit more volume, a little bit more growl to your exhaust. All right, let's jump in, let's get started. All right, y'all, so the Z4 will not fit under my quick jack, so you're gonna see me using a combination of jack stands and a large floor jack and other things to get the car in the air today. Always be super careful, as always, the moment you have your car in the air. Do not be under it in an unsafe fashion, all right? I'm definitely safe. I've got redundant systems to make sure I'm not gonna have a problem. Now, taking down the exhaust here, we're looking up the exhaust line. You can see a cross-body brace right here. That's gonna have to come off. It's got the bolts here at the end, the two in the middle, and one on the end. I'll have those bolt sizes for you in a second. When we look up the exhaust, and I'll show you a little bit closer in a sec, there's a hanger, and then there's one big clamp all the way back up at the top. So, we're gonna start by taking this cross-body brace off, and then we're gonna start at the top, loosen that clamp, loosen the hanger, and work our way down, okay? I'll have this size for you in just a second. Okay guys, so we're looking up the exhaust line here. You can see up at the top, we've got the OEM clamp here up at the top. You can loosen that now if you'd like. That is a 12mm nut on that, and then spread. It's kind of a clamp. It's like a V-band style clamp. So go ahead and loosen that and then just loosen it up. Now you do have a 13mm nut right here.